Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2025 Hyundai Sonata. Hyundai has taken the wraps off the 2025 Sonata, and it's nothing short of spectacular. This new iteration of Hyundai's beloved mid-size sedan blends cutting-edge technology, striking design, and refined performance, marking a new chapter for the Sonata legacy. Exterior, a dynamic redesign. The 2025 Sonata boasts a bold and futuristic look that demands attention. Parametric dynamics. A sleek front grille seamlessly integrates with LED lighting that spans the width of the car. Sculpted elegance. Sharper lines and a lower stance add an aggressive yet sophisticated flair. Distinctive rear design. A redesigned taillight bar and aerodynamic enhancements give the Sonata a standout rear profile. Interior. Comfort meets innovation. Hyundai redefines interior luxury and convenience with the 2025 Sonata. Premium materials. High-quality finishes, such as leather upholstery and metallic accents, enhance the cabin's appeal. Dual panoramic displays. A 12.3-inch digital cluster pairs with a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, creating a tech-savvy cockpit. Spacious cabin. Redesigned seating ensures comfort for all passengers, with ample legroom and storage options. Performance. Engineered for every journey. Hyundai offers versatile powertrains to cater to all drivers. Standard turbocharged engine. A 1.6L turbo delivers 180 horsepower, offering efficiency and a spirited drive. Hybrid option. The hybrid variant boasts a 2.0L engine paired with an electric motor, achieving up to 50 mpg. N-Line performance. The Sonata N-Line, with its 2.5L turbo engine producing 290 horsepower, promises an exhilarating driving experience. Technology. Innovation at your fingertips. Packed with state-of-the-art tech, the 2025 Sonata ensures convenience and safety. Hyundai Smart Sense. Features like forward collision avoidance assist, blind spot monitoring, and highway driving assist come standard. Digital Key 2.0. Unlock and start your car using your smartphone or smartwatch. Advanced connectivity. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto paired with a premium Bose sound system. Sustainability. A step toward greener driving. The 2025 Sonata reaffirms Hyundai's commitment to sustainability. Efficient powertrains. Both hybrid and plug-in hybrid options significantly reduce emissions. Eco-friendly manufacturing. Incorporates recycled materials in the cabin and production process. Pricing and availability. Starting price. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata begins at $26,500 for the base model, with hybrid and N-Line variants priced higher. Availability. The Sonata will hit dealerships in mid-2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Hyundai Sonata redefines what a mid-size sedan can offer. With its daring design, tech-forward interior, and efficient yet powerful performance options, it's poised to continue Hyundai's success in the segment.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.